Boost your meetings with keyboard shortcuts.
Ready to save time and streamline your video meetings? Keyboard shortcuts in Zoom and Microsoft Teams can help you work smarter, not harder. In this guide, you'll discover the most valuable shortcuts to mute, share screens, navigate meetings, and much more, all designed to make your video calls more efficient and stress-free.
Essential Zoom shortcuts for hosts and participants.
In Zoom, press Alt-A to quickly mute or unmute your microphone. Need to turn off your camera? Hit Alt-V. Want to open the chat? Use Alt-H. Sharing your screen is easy with Alt-S. These shortcuts keep you in control and let you respond instantly. No mouse required.
Take charge in Microsoft Teams meetings.
Microsoft Teams offers powerful shortcuts too. To mute or unmute your mic, press Ctrl-Shift-M. Want to start or stop your camera? Use Ctrl-Shift-O. Open the chat instantly with Ctrl-Shift-C. Ready to share your screen? Hit Ctrl-Shift-E and stay in flow during discussions.
Navigating and managing participants with ease.
Effortless navigation makes meetings smoother. In Zoom, press Alt+U to open the participants panel. Use Alt+L to quickly toggle between active speaker and gallery view. In Teams, jump to the participants panel with Ctrl-Shift-P. These shortcuts let you manage the room, check attendance, and adjust views in seconds.
Mastering shortcuts for maximum productivity.
Practice makes perfect. Consider learning 1 or 2 shortcuts at a time. Over time, integrating these shortcuts into your daily meetings can drastically reduce distractions and increase your focus. Whether you're presenting, collaborating, or just participating, these quick commands help you stay organized and efficient throughout your video meetings.